What's going on, guys? It's your boy Johnny back again with another video. Aquí andamos con el compa Javi, compa Alex in the camera. Aquí andamos al putazo. We're about to hit up a meet. We got the Hemi right here and we got the Sting over there. That's how you know. How we rolling? We're rolling out. We're rolling out. This nigga, we're out here with the nigga Gabe out here. You already know I'm coming. So I'll hit you guys up right now when we're at the meet. Alright, we're about to hit some runs real quick. 30? We're gonna hit a quick dig right now. On green, bro. On green. Make sure it's not 12 hours. 5 hours later. We're waiting for it to turn green. Alright, ready guys? Got my gut? Yeah. Let's go! Alright, we're right here, about to hit up the next Addy right here. We're right out here in the pony and shit. We're posting up over here with this bell. That's right. That's right. So stay tuned for this part 2 of the beats. Alright, we just made it out here to the first meet. Hopefully this shit doesn't get raided because most of them can be raided. Hopefully it doesn't get raided because most of them have been getting raided lately. But we'll see how long this one lasts. Niggas out here having a rap battle and shit. Goddamn. Yeah. Yo, the feds are about to pull up out here. I just see some cop lines. We need a dip, bruh. Fuck. Fuga. Hey, and we just barely made it out here, bro. This shit crazy. This shit crazy. I love a chopper out here, bro. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. He's like shining the light out here, bro. This shit crazy, bro. We got the feds out here and shit. Oh, fuck. We're stuck in traffic, bro. This shit crazy. A la verga. Watch out. What are you doing? We about to finish. We just pulled up somewhere and some homie got pulled over there. I'm not sure if you guys could see, but we got a whole ass chopper out here, bro. We made a quick stop because we lost Javi, but damn. We'll see what's up right now. Shit, fuck. Alright, we just made it out here to the meet. Like for the last technical difficulties, there's been a lot of they've been getting raided a lot, but we're about to check this spot out. Let's see what's up. What's going on? God damn. Chicken arms are in the fucking way. This homie don't got no bumper. Check out this spot. Oh, I know, bro. A la verga. A la. Hey, nigga. No mames, nigga. Fuck, nigga, this shit got raided, bro. You been having a rough night out here and shit. Oh shit, bro. Hopefully they don't hit the pony, bro. Yeah, look, the feds are over there. Shit, bro. This shit crazy. Let's dip, let's dip. Órale, wey. We deadass got a chopper out here, bro. This shit fucking crazy, bro. Oh, they don't even let us out of this, bro. Hopefully we make it out without getting a ticket, bro. God damn. You guys can see the chopper. Hopefully we make it out of this. That's right. Hopefully we make it out of this. We'll see what happens. Keep you guys updated. They pulled over that pony. No. Hey, look, stop. Go. Stop the car. I was on the. Alright, wraps it up a little bit. Dude, look how many cops out here, bro. That shit is crazy. There's fucking hell of that shit. Hey, no boss. It's for a vlog, I'm sorry. Huh? It's for a vlog I'm doing, I'm sorry. Oh, if you don't. I'm recording everything, bro. It's crazy out here. How old are you? 18. Yeah. Did you know that you guys were just in there trespassing? Oh shit, sorry about that. I didn't know that, sir. Come back! Snap! We just got pulled over! Hey. Take out the keys in the car. Bro, they got the homie!